You searched how to buy shares of Enovix Corporation. Enovix designs advanced lithium-ion battery cells and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ENVX. This video is educational and not investment advice. To buy ENVX, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker ENVX or the company name. Then select the result that explicitly shows Enovix Corporation on NASDAQ to find the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing reads Enovix Corporation with the ENVX ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and fees. If the market is closed, your order may be pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Enovix position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to access the platform, the link to eToro is in the video description.